Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 of them over there. You see them?
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5.
And so you know why they're pounding that thing down in the bottom? That irritates the seals, and the seals will get away from them.
Seals?
Yeah.
And
And,
all of them inside there, they fall.
and it's also making the fish swim that way. And so they should bring that. See, so they do that to kind of get rid of the seals and to scare the fish into the net. So they used to use seal bombs to do that. But the environmentalists, that's the end of the
Seal
seals.
bomb.
And so basically like a blasting cap with a quarter stick of dynamite, they'll light it and they'll throw it in the water instead of doing that. So it'd be like pop, pop, pop under the water. And it scares the fish into their net. So their net's a gill net. So if the fish swim into that net, they're caught.
So what is it? What's making that noise?
It's like a cone on the end of those things. So when they pop
Oh,
it,
it's just air, the way the air
Yeah.
hits it or whatever.
that's a hard job. I've done it before. And you got to do it just right, or it doesn't pop like that.
Yeah. All right.
Up at the top. Yep. Nope. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see the process now. At this point, I realized that look, I am not a fisherman. Look at me up here taking pictures and photos and stuff of me acting like I'm doing. I was trying, but it just wouldn't bite for me. Everybody was catching them, but me. And I mean, they jumping out of the water, but still no success. It is what it is. This is my dad showing me how to fillet the fish on the boat, and it actually helps. This is some of the fish that we were able to catch on this day. They need to do it. We go, ooh. Y'all see it, huh? Alaska the beautiful, baby. This is what we do. This is what we see. Alaska got a lot to offer. I ain't going nowhere. I'm here for life. A Georgia boy in Alaska, baby. This here is what I call beauty as far as the eye can see. There's just so much, and the camera definitely cannot show you what this human experience feels like. Subscribe! you look all the way back there, you see that? That's a glacier there. So we still do have some kind of control when it comes down to weather here in Alaska as far as temperature gauge, I believe. All the way at the top, right up there, that's a raging body of water that's from the snow melt. Very beautiful. It can, woo, it's beautiful. Here's that tunnel again. Gotta love it. Sometimes when you come on the other side, it just be filled with so much beauty and sunshine and stuff. It makes a big change. I'm telling you, this journey right here, it was so beautiful. And then just to capture this, knowing that I can go back and look at this beauty. It's unmistakably a joy that I got to spend this day doing this. I'm telling you, this weather and this how the clouds play, how the sun reflects off different things, it's I just want to say this has been an experience. I do it every year. Every year I am still amazed, and that's what makes leaving here a little bit harder, because you can't pay for this. I'm telling you. I mean, you can't pay for it, but to be able to experience this is a big joy. I love it.
Did I hear music? Thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all a little bit more of this landscape and how these fish are behaving, and where the end of the video is quite near, but I just wanted to capture a little bit more as I end this video. And I want to thank everyone that was able to make it this far in the video. I know this doesn't excite as many people as I thought it would, but this is joy. This is something that I can actually look back as a journal of what came to be.
And these videos right here are in relationship to the fishing video that you are watching now. Check it out if you want to. All right, then. I'll let y'all trust the process.